Hi friends! Today I am on a tour of a premium golf community of Dubai Sport City. You can guess this place. Yes, it's Victory Heights. And I'll show you a 4-bedroom townhouse at Marbella Village at Victory Heights, Dubai Sport City. So this is the exteriors of 4-bedroom townhouse. These are the parkings. Now this particular townhouse is 4-bedroom plus maid's room. So now I'll show you the ground floor first. This is the entrance. You can see the living area. It's massive. And by the way, this particular townhouse is G+2. So this is the first bedroom. You can see the built-in wardrobes. Being 1 bedroom at downstairs will give you an added advantage. This is the backyard, and on my left this is the kitchen. Good size kitchen. You can see lots of storage spaces over here. Perfectly done. You can see the tiles on the wall as well. Good sized living area. And this is the first washroom. Since 1 bedroom is downstairs, you can see this is a full washroom. After each floor I complete, I'll show you a floor plan of that particular floor as well. So this was the first floor. Now I'll show you the floor plan of this floor. So this is the floor plan. Now I'll move towards first floor. Let's head out to the first floor where the 3 bedrooms are placed. So as soon as I enter first floor, you can see on my right 2 bedrooms and 1 washroom. So this is the second bedroom. You can see the built-in wardrobes. Also I can see a balcony. Second washroom. You can see the standing shower. And this is the third bedroom. Again built-in wardrobes. It comes with a terrace. Yes. Marbella Village is a cluster of 96 townhouses only, which is very exclusive. Not only that, it has got gym, kids play, swimming pool, community center, everything. If I talk about Victory Heights, it is spread over 25 million square feet area, golf community. 50% is green landscaped. This is the master bed, 4th bedroom. Again built-in wardrobes are there. Balcony. And ensuite washroom, bathtub, one more wardrobe is here. So this was the second floor. Now I'll show you the floor plan of the first floor. Now I'll move towards the second floor. So as soon as I move towards second floor, on my right hand side there is a laundry space. You can see the good size laundry, rooftop. Then you have 5th bedroom which comes with a washroom. This fifth bedroom can be used as a maid's room. If I talk about Victory Heights, it comes with a 18-hole championship golf course, which was designed by Ernie Els. This was the second floor and this is the floor plan. Now I'll do a quick revision for you. On my first floor, 3 bedrooms, one on the left and 2 on the right with a washroom as well. And on the ground floor, you have the living area, kitchen, 1 bedroom and 1 washroom. Huge living area, I would say, plus a backyard. Very premium location, very good location. Dubai Sports City is known for its Dubai International Stadium as well. With this, I will finish my tour of this 4-bedroom townhouse. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any questions regarding the townhouse, regarding the pricing, regarding the availability, feel free to reach out to me directly on the given number. Thanks for watching this video.